This presentation is aimed at speech therapists and other professionals involved in assessment for and provision of augmentative and alternative communication, or AAC. It may be helpful to watch the consideration of access for AAC presentation also. By watching this presentation, we hope you are able to gain an understanding of the factors you need to consider when choosing a suitable AAC system or device for your client. There are also some ideas that you may wish to consider if you feel your client could experience or is experiencing difficulties when using their AAC system or device. If you have a system or device in mind, then consider its features. If you are not sure what device you need, then think about the features you would like it to have. Some of the factors you may want to consider include access methods. What methods can be used to access this device? For example, is it touchscreen only, or can it be used with other methods, such as a switch? You may also wish to consider what movements are required to operate it. For example, if it is a touchscreen, will the client be able to manage swiping motions as well as direct pointing? Are the nails short enough to allow them to effectively use the touchscreen? Accessibility options. Some devices have accessibility features that can be used to make the device easier to use. For example, some devices have tremor settings, where repeated key press can be ignored, or the screen contrast can be changed to make it easier to see. Portability. How portable is the device? Is it lightweight or heavy? Does it have a carry handle, or will a bag be needed? How will your client move it from A to B? Vocabulary or app options. It is important to give some consideration to the layout of the vocabulary, the size of the font or symbol, the background colours, the size of the targets, the amount of information presented on a single page, and the location of frequently used cells. Also consider the practicalities such as the volume of the device. Will it be loud and clear enough to be heard where the client wishes to use it? How big is the on-off switch, and is it easily accessible? How long does the device hold charge, and will your client manage to plug in the charger? If not, then who will do this? By understanding some of the features of AAC devices, you should be able to choose a device that best matches your client's abilities. If your client appears to be having difficulties accessing the device, then you may wish to consider the following. Where is the device positioned in relation to the client? Does it need to be closer, higher, lower, or placed at an angle? Would your client benefit from using it at a desk, table, or on a tray so their arm is supported? Some clients find it difficult to isolate their fingers to point. They may benefit from using a stylus or similar. Some clients may find that they do not always accurately hit the cell they wish to target. You may want to consider increasing the target size or increasing the space between cells. Some clients may benefit from a keyguard. This is a physical guard that is placed over the device so that there is a raised border around each cell so as to reduce the risk of accidentally hitting the wrong cell. Keyguards are not available for all devices, and if considering one with a touchscreen device, you must remember that the layout of each page needs to be the same. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, or if your client is experiencing difficulties with accessing their AAC device, then contact us for further help and support.